Today we're going to be checking out this deck of cards brought to you by magicandcards.com, and feel free to check out their website and Instagram. The other thing that fell out of the package was this optical illusion. Super cool looking, and if you look at it, it doesn't actually just fold over. I'm not entirely sure how they pulled this off, but regardless, it's super cool to look at. And it has a little thank you note on the back. First of all, I definitely thought this was going to be the deck of cards. This is actually just the case that it comes in and has the Magic and Cards logo. And this is clearly some high quality paper because I just peeled this off and the paper never ripped. So I'm just going to stick at that on the other side so we can get into the cards. So you have a quad fold, and then on the inside, what does it say here? It says, thank you for purchasing the Bicycle Invoked deck, and it's going to have tutorial files on here as well. That I'm going to have to check out. But what you're here for is the cards. The front of the tuck box says Bicycle Invoked. It has a new type of spade pip in the middle, and of course is recolored. The one side says the United States Playing Cards Company, and the other air cushion finish made in the USA. The bottom has some ad copy, and the top just says poker. You'll have your standard USPC tuck seal, and a really cool hexagonal design on the back. Personally, I love geometric type designs, so this one might be a favorite. On the inner tuck flap, it has some more ad copy and says magicandcards.com. And there's nothing on the two smaller inner tuck flaps. Let me just tell you, this back design is absolutely incredible, especially if you're a magician, and let me explain why. This is a marked deck in so many ways. It is a reader back for suit and value. It is a cipher back on the top. It is a cipher back on the side. It is a one-way deck. It just keeps on going with all the different ways to be able to read this deck. There is so many. If there is a way to read a deck of cards, this one actually might have all of them. And it is one that you can literally read from across the room. It is that easy. It has a similar ease to the DMC Elite V5, and that is saying something. Now let's get into the number cards. For the most part, everything is going to look pretty standard. Now I can't tell because I haven't watched the videos yet, since of course I just now opened this, if this was intentional or not, but my 9 of spades is actually shifted over, both on the front and on the back. So again, you can see that this side is a lot longer than the other side, and this side is clearly shifted that way as well. Outside of that, everything else is going to be normal, completely all the way through, just like your regular deck of bicycle playing cards. The other thing you'll see on all of your face cards, including the numbered cards, is this small little quarter circle on both of the opposite corners. Then onto your 3 aces, you get partial power aces, not as good as the ace of spades, but all 3 of these are partial power aces as well, and they all look fantastic. Admittedly, the court cards a little bit surprised me. The blues got a little bit darker for the same blue that is on the back design, but they didn't incorporate the orange or the light blue from the back design, and that's the part that surprised me. The line work is extremely cleaned up. If you compare this deck to any regular bicycle deck, all of the line work is extremely clean, and there are some fun ones. You have a 6 of clubs reveal on the queen of spades, but a lot of it is pretty standard. There's very minor details changed, but nothing extra crazy, and I was hoping for a little bit more customization, maybe just even incorporating the light blue and the orange. That would have meant a lot. The other one that is going to be still the same is, you'll see if you look at this white ribbon here, there's a little triangle on the one side and not on the other, making this one a one-way card. You then get 2 extra cards. Your first extra card is going to be a double backer for magicians, and your second one is another court card, which is a duplicate King of Hearts, but this one is holding a 3 of Hearts reveal. Then you get 2 duplicate Jester Joker cards, and last but not least, the Invoked playing cards, Ace of Spades. Now some decks handle well, some decks don't. Let's check out and see how well this one is going to handle. This is what under pressure is going to look like, and even for a deck really more made for sleight of hand, this deck is definitely going to look good for cardistry. It is a little bit thicker than a regular deck of bicycle playing cards, and it is on the buttery side. So some decks are more snappy, some decks are more malleable. This one definitely has a lot more malleability, so if you are a beginner magician, this one is probably going to lean itself more to you. It definitely has a lot more malleability, so if you're someone who has never really mastered something like the card spring or under pressure, this is one that you could honestly do it with and have no issues. The other test that I like to do is the Pharaoh Shuffle, see if this one works, because some decks can and some decks cannot, and that one worked just fine. No issues right there at all. Some decks can only Pharaoh Shuffle one direction, and we'll see if this is going to be one of those decks. Maybe slightly, but quite honestly, that was not bad at all, especially for being brand new out of the box, not being broke in at all. It definitely has rough edges, so if you're someone who likes to feel like it's really broken out of the box, this is definitely going to be one that you're gonna need to be able to break in, but no issues here when it comes to handling. So if you want to pick up Invoked playing cards, you can check them out at magicandcards.com. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments, and if you want to pick them up for yourself, you can click on the link right there. And if you're a fan of marked decks of playing cards, you can check out the full playlist right there. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. This is CPM, signing off.